Test, 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 test. Welcome to the first episode of Tabletop TOOLTIME. We're gonna make a sanding tool that allows you to bevel edges and sand rectangular faces. Check out tabletopterrainlenny.com. There's a list of tools I use and recommend. We need double-sided tape, a sharp hobby knife and a rectangular piece of wood. We also need 2 sheets of sanding paper, one with a 60 or 80 grit and a very fine one, 1000 for example. Sharpen your knives, saves money and it is fun. A grindstone needs a little bit of water. Stick the tape to the wood. Make sure you hit the edge. Chop the overhanging tape. Yeah, it is sticky. Remove the foil and stick it to the sanding paper. Trimming the sanding paper. A metal ruler is a great little helper. Here we go, let's do some sanding. Because of its rectangular shape, it is possible to smooth the foam angular. The fine grit side is ideal to bevel sharp edges. Do not forget to check tabletopterrainlenny.com for tool and material recommendations. If you like this kind of content, ring the bell and hit that subscribe button. Cheers and keep on making!